In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are common struggles, leaving many feeling overwhelmed, drained, and disconnected. The constant pressure to juggle work, family, and social responsibilities can lead to burnout, making it essential to prioritize self-care. Yoga, even in short sessions, offers a powerful way to break this cycle. Just 10 minutes of yoga can release endorphins, lower stress, and boost mood, helping you feel more relaxed and balanced. This quick 10-minute yoga routine is designed to help you unwind, no matter where you are. Start by finding a quiet, comfortable space. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and exhale through your mouth. Feel your body expand with fresh energy as you inhale, and let tension melt away as you exhale. Begin with a gentle neck stretch. Tilt your head to one side, bringing your ear toward your shoulder. Hold for a few breaths, then release, feeling relaxation spread through your neck and shoulders. Next, move into a seated forward fold, lengthening your spine and reaching for your toes. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed, and hold for a few breaths to feel the stretch in your back and legs. Then, transition to a reclined pose, using pillows or blankets for support if necessary. Allow your body to fully relax, feeling the weight of your bones sink into the ground. As you breathe deeply, notice your body becoming heavier, more grounded, and at peace. Let go of any tension or resistance, surrendering to the present moment. In this state of relaxation, you may feel more connected to your body, breath, and emotions. Imagine stress and anxiety leaving your body like autumn leaves falling gently to the ground. This sense of calm and release is always accessible whenever you take the time to cultivate it. The goal of yoga isn't perfection, but cultivating awareness, balance, and harmony. By incorporating these simple poses and breathing techniques into your daily routine, you can feel more centered and at peace, even amidst chaos. If you found this helpful, share your experiences and explore more stress relief techniques in other yoga videos. Remember, self-care is essential. Take a few minutes each day to reconnect with yourself and nurture your well-being.